Hi friends, in previous class we discussed about curve fitting of the straight line. Now we'll see about a fitting of a curve of the form y equal to a into x to the power b. For this curve directly it is not possible to write the normal equations. Therefore we can convert this equation in terms of a linear form by applying log on both sides. Therefore, apply log on both sides. Therefore, we'll get log y equal to, applying the log property, log of a into b, log of m into n form. Therefore, log of a plus log of x to the power b. Next, applying the log of power property, log of x to the log of m to the power n, this power property will get log a plus b into log x. Therefore, we get log y equal to log a plus b into log x. Now we can write this as a capital Y equal to capital A plus b into capital X. Now this is of the straight line form where small a. This is log to the base here, simple log. This is called as a natural logarithm. In the calculator, we can press ln option for this. And we want unknowns small a and small b, but we have small b. But by solving this equation, we get a capital A. But we want a small a. Therefore, from this equation, we can write a equal to applying antilog. Therefore, we get e to the power. We will get this. Now, this is the straight line form. Already in the previous curve fitting, we have the straight line form, that is second form y equal to a plus bx form. Therefore, we know normal equations for this straight line. Therefore, we have normal equations for this straight line. It is already, we know the procedure. Take the summation first. Summation capital Y equal to n into capital A plus b into summation of capital X. Then now, yes, in place of small x, we need to multiply capital X because this is an independent term. Therefore, first multiply x on both sides, then take the summation capital XY equal to a into summation of capital X plus b into summation of capital X. This is the normal equation, and like as a previous curve fitting form, we are getting in terms of small x, small y. Here we are getting a small capital X, capital Y. Therefore, by solving this equation, we'll get a small b and capital A unknown value. But with the help of this relation, we need to find small a, then substitute small a and small b in the given equation of the form y equal to a x to the power b. Then this is the fitting of the curve. Now we'll see an example. Fit a curve of the form y equal to a into x to the power b for the following data. Your x values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y value 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8 and 12.5. These are the x and y value. Like as the procedure explained, first we need to apply log for the given curve. Apply log on both sides, we'll get log y equal to the property of product into addition to log a plus log of x to the power p. Then the power property of log will get log y equal to log a plus b into log x, which is of the form we can call it as straight line form y equal to a plus b into x. This is the straight line form where capital Y is log y, capital X is log x, capital A is log a. For this straight line already we know the normal equation, therefore we have normal equations. We have normal equations. Taking the summation on both sides, we'll get first equation, that is summation capital Y n into capital A plus b into summation capital X. Then second equation by multiplying x on both sides and taking the summation capital xy summation, then a into summation x plus b into summation x square. You can call this equation number 1. Then, like as a previous procedure, from the given x and y, we need to find the capital Y and capital X using log y log x. In the calculator, we need to press ln because it is a natural logarithm of log to the base e. Therefore, we need to press ln in the calculator. Then we'll get a capital X, capital Y, extra column. Then multiplying capital X, capital Y will get xy, then x square. Then taking the summation of these four columns, we'll substitute in the system equation 1, and solving this system of equation we get unknowns small b and capital A, but in the equation we want small a. Therefore, with the help of this relation capital A equal to log a, we need to find small a, that is a equal to e to the power capital A. Then we'll get small a, then substitute in the given curve. Therefore, now we need to find table values. Contains extra two columns, that is capital X and capital Y. First, small x, small y, but capital X is log x, capital Y is log y, next xy, next x square. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, y values 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Then log x. Therefore, press ln of these values, we'll get ln1 0, ln2 0.6931, ln3 1.0986, ln4 1.3866, 1.63. Next ln4, ln5 1.6094. Similarly, capital Y log Y, that is ln of these y's. So ln of 0.5 minus 0.6931. Next ln of 2, that is 0.6931. Next ln of 4.5 1.5041. Next ln of 8 2.0794. Next ln of 12.5 2.5257. Now we need to multiply this x and y, then we take the square of these x. We'll get next two columns. That is x into y, 0, then 0.4804, then 1.6524, then 2.8827, then 4.0649. X square values 0.4804, then 1.2069, 1.9218, next 2.5902. So in the equation 1, that is system of equation, we don't want summation of small x, summation of small y. So no need to calculate summation of the small x and summation of small y. Therefore directly the summation of capital X, summation of capital Y, summation of xy, summation of xy we need to calculate. Therefore summation of capital X is 4.7874. Next summation of capital Y 6.1092. Next summation of capital XY 9.0804. Next summation of capital X square 6.1993. Now substituting these values in the system of equation 1 we'll get, but in the system of equation we want n value here, n number of data n is n equal to 5, n equal to 5. Therefore equation 1 becomes summation capital Y, that is 6.1092 equal to n into a, that is 5. Be careful, it is a capital A, so 5a plus b into summation of x small b. Summation of x is 4.7874. Next second equation is summation of xy, that is 9.0804 equal to a into summation of x, that is 4.7874 a plus x square into summation x square into b into summation x, it is 6.1993 b. Here we have two equations, two unknown. Using calculator we get using calculator. Because the previous curve here direct also we can solve using the system of equation in the calculator. Two equation, two unknown. A1 is 5, B1 is 4.7874, then C1 is 6.1092, then A2 is 4.7874, then B2 is 6.1993, then C2 is 9.0804. But in the calculator, it shows X and Y, but here unknowns are capital A and small b. Capital A is X value and small b is Y value. Therefore, A equal to minus 0.6932 and B is 2. But we want a small a, so therefore we know the relation, but we know that capital A equal to log a. We want small a, therefore a equal to e to the power capital A. Substitute the capital A value here. A equal to e to the power minus 0.6932. Using the calculator, we get 0.5. Therefore, A is 0.5 and B is 2. Therefore, given curve becomes. Therefore, the given curve becomes given curve becomes y equal to a is 0.5, ax to the power b is 2. This is given curve. Now we can see one more example. An experiment of lifetime t of cutting a tool at different cutting speeds v units are given as the speed, and this is life t 350, 400, 500, 600, and t is 61, 26, 7, and 2.6. This is the experimental part, but question is fit a relation of the form v equal to a into t to the power p. See, this example is of the form as it is previous, it is exponential form only, but here in place of y, v is there, and in place of x, t is there. This is also exponential form, but here also directly it is not possible to apply a normal equation. Therefore, first apply log on both sides. We'll get log v equal to log a plus log product property, product into addition, therefore log t to the power. Next, log power property, log v equal to log a plus b into log t, which becomes straight line form, that is log v, I can write it as a capital V equal to log a. Log a, I can write it as a capital A plus b into capital T. This is a straight line form of the y equal to a plus bx, where capital V is log v, capital T is log t, and like as a previous example, capital A is capital A is log A. Again, in the example, we want small a, therefore, with the help of this relation, A equal to e to the power capital A. So this is the straight line form. So we know that normal equations, we have normal equations for the about straight line. We have normal equations by taking summation on both sides. Summation v equal to n into a plus b into summation t. Then here t is a independent variable and v is a dependent variable. Therefore, we can multiply t on both sides. Then that takes summation. So summation tv equal to a into summation t plus b into summation t square. B into summation t square. We can call this equation as a equation number 1 system of equation. Here we need to find the summation of v, summation of t, summation of tv, summation of t square with the help of these given data, and here n number of observations. Here n equal to 4. Here n equal to 4. Now we can form the table which contains capital V and capital T using small v and small t. Small v, small t, 350, 400, 500, 600, and t values 61, 26, 7, 2.6. But in the summations we want capital V, therefore capital V is log small v, that is ln of v. Similarly, capital T log t, then dv, then t square. We want summation on these last 4 columns. Therefore, ln 350, 5.8579, then for ln 400, 5.9915, similarly ln 500, 6.2146, next ln 600, 6.3969. Next, capital T, the ln of small t values, ln 61, 4.1109, 3.2581, next ln 7, 1.9459, then ln of 2.6.9555. Then multiplication of v and t, that is tv. So 24.0812, second value 19.5209, then 12.093, then 6.1122, then t square 16.8995, 10.6152, then 3.78 0.65, then 0.913. Then take the summation of these last four columns. We get summation of capital V, summation of capital T, summation of capital TB, summation of capital T square. Therefore, summation of capital V equal to 24.4609. Summation of capital T equal to 10.2704. Next, summation of capital TB 61.8073. Next, summation of capital T square is 32.2142. 2142. Then substitute all these summation values in the equation number 1. Equation number 1 becomes summation V equal to summation V 24.4609 equal to n into a. N is 4, therefore 4a plus b into summation of t. Summation of t is 10.2704, so 10.2704 b. Then summation of tv, so 61.8073 equal to a into summation of t, that is 10.2704 a plus b into summation of t square, that is 32.2142 b. Using calculator, we can get a small capital A and a small b value. Using calculator, we get capital A. X value is capital A in the calculator, and y value is the b value. Therefore, capital A is 6.5539 and small b value is minus 0.1709. But we want small a, therefore, but we know that relation, capital A is our A, we want small a, therefore A equal to e to the power capital A. A equal to e to the power A is 6.5539. We get A value as a 701.9766. Therefore, given equation of the form, therefore a given curve is small v equal to A is 701.9766 into t to the power b. B is negative value, that is minus 0.1709.